Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll teach you how to change icon on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. For example, let's say I want to change the icon of Riot Client and I want to set it to this image. So what I need to do at first is to go to my browser, then search for PNG to ICO. This will convert the PNG image to an icon. Just go to the first link and select your file. Then just convert the file. Just wait for it to be converted, then just download it. Click on save. Then just go to your Riot Client or any app which you want to change the icon of. Then just right click on it. Then just click on show more options. Then just go to properties. After that, just go to the shortcut tab and click on change icon. Then click on browse. Then select the icon which you want to set and click on open. Then just click on OK. Then just click on apply. Then click on OK again. And there you go. The icon has been changed. And that is how to change icon on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.